Yo, what is up, bro? Guys, girls, whoever's watching this, welcome back to a new video, man. Today, I'm going to put in some blinking brake lights because your boy needs some blinking brake lights. I can't even say it. But yeah, putting those in today. It'll be a short little video, you feel me? But you know, I've seen people with these. They honestly look kind of lit, I'm not gonna lie. And honestly, I also want it because of safety, because people down here, they're crazy, bro. They don't pay attention, they're always on their phone. So, you know, something blinking will catch their attention, you feel me? So they won't rear-end me, because, yo, people down here, trust me, I've almost been rear-ended plenty of times down here. People in Florida can't drive. All right, guys, it's super simple. So basically, pop these out, boom, one, boom, another, oops, not. Pop these out, put them in there. Bam! Tail light right there. I'm gonna be real though, I don't know which one to do. Right here, bye. I don't know if you guys can see that, but boom, tail light. Got reverse light right here, and they say that make sure they work, because if they don't work, that means you have to like flip it to the other side, because I guess it has to go a certain way so it can start flashing, whatever. But I'll test it out, see what's popping. Guys, let me see if this works real quick. Hit the brake. Oh, that looks lit. Let it go. Do it again. Hey, as you guys can see, nice flashy. One more time. Nice, y'all done clean. Super simple, guys. A little easy mod that you guys could do to your whips. You feel me? I'm about to show you a little test on, see how both of them look at the same time. So, see how nice it looks. Brakes. Ooh. We'll go this side, Let it go. Do it again. Hey, that's on fire. Do it. Nice. Hey, that's on clean. Nice. Hey, you got your car clean, bro. I'm telling you guys. They also have this light, the center light, the wing light. You also get that on that side. I know you guys I'm pretty sure you guys know, but they also have that light here. So I might cop. I'm thinking about it. I don't know yet, because, you know, but still. Those two alone look clean. Like, it's a nice clean look, and it's like safety, you feel me? Guys, please always save your stock ones. You guys might think that you're not gonna need it, but trust me, one day, who knows if those things blow, or if you're gonna sell your car, you're gonna need stocks, you feel me? You don't want to sell it with the car on it or whatever. But yeah, save your stocks. It's not gonna hurt you. It's not gonna, you know, it's not gonna attack you, you feel me? So just save them, have them handy, because you never know, maybe your lights might go out or whatever. But hey, nice little easy mod. But I hope you guys enjoyed the vid, man. I know it was a super short video, but it's just a little mod, you feel me? It's a quick little thing, but I love you guys, man. Peace out. More Honda vids coming out. Y'all boys aren't ready, but you are ready. I don't know what I'm saying, but peace out. Like, comment, subscribe, guys. See you guys in the next one. Peace.